Hi, I'm Kyle with Green Goddess Supply, and I'm here to talk to you about our latest product, the ATS 42 Grow Tent. Let's take a look inside. Let's talk about a few of the basic features that it comes with. First and foremost, this is extra thick. This is made with 2000D lining, which, if you compare it to like thread counts on sheets, the standard is normally 600 for the industry, for the lower quality tents. But we wanted to make sure that it was extra thick. This helps hold in any humidity, temperature, smell, anything that you might need, and it makes it last a lot longer and be a lot more pliable. The skin on the inside of the tent is actually a diamond pattern that goes along the mylar, and this helps reflect the light even better. The ATS 42 has 7 different ports all along it to customize whatever you need for ventilation or for running electronics. Ports all along the sides, both on the top and bottom, and even on the very top of the tent as well. There are 3 different viewing windows as well on there. The 2 along the side fold up and have a mesh, so that way you can still have extra airflow if you really need it. There's even a port on the front, so that way you can view it, and it's made out of plastic, so that way it won't change up the heat or humidity of your system, so you can still see what's going on. And down below at the bottom is a mylar tray made out of the same thick material as the whole rest of the tent. So it's not only just reflective and extra durable, it also catches any water or dirt or anything that might fall down below, making it really easy to clean and remove later on. You simply tie it into the corners to keep it still, and then when you're done in between rounds of growing, you can just take it out, take it outside, and hose it off. The ATS 42 tent system comes with everything you need to grow. You get 2 fabric grow bags as well as 2 saucers, 1 for each plant, as well as 2 very bright unicorn LED grow lights, as well as some eye protection to make sure that you don't burn your retinas. Additionally, it has this carbon scrubber, which is actually rated for a 4x4 space, so it's overkill. And it attaches to this 4-inch inline fan for extraction of all the air. It is also controlled through a powerful controller that lets you know what your heat and humidity is inside the grow tent. And of course, it comes with both a surge protector and power strip, as well as a light timer to plug everything into. So that way, you're ready to go as soon as your ATS arrives. Best of all, the ATS 42 comes with your own grow concierge consultant that's gonna customize your grow just for you. Get back in there.
Now, when you go to put on the carabiner, it's not going to fit, all right? The pipe's too thick. But here's the trick. If you come all the way down to the end where it's thinner, it goes right on, no problem. And then you can slide it.
You can use zip ties instead, but if it does come with 2 straps, so if you want to use the straps to hold up the carbon scrubber and the fan, one little pro tip I'll give you is having the buckles to the front makes life a lot easier than if they're in the back and you're wrestling with trying to reach around in the back and you can't really see them well. So keep the buckles in the front.
Now, the zipper lining has these extra little flaps on either side to help prevent any light leaks. But the problem is, potentially, you could accidentally zip them up and get stuck if you're not too careful. But that's an easy fix. You take your other zipper all the way up, push it in a little out of the way, and then together, and it'll open up just like normal. Another best practice is try to avoid having your door hang open like this. It comes with a Velcro patch here so you can always hang it upright when you open it to work inside, and then whenever you need to close it, first you want to lift it up, then you want to zip. The lift and zip. Do it.